Yeah, Yetta and Vanessa, it's an unfortunate reality we have living in the desert. AC units in homes and apartments across the valley, they do go out, and it's not very uncommon. And as we get into these really hot summer months, going without AC, it truly can be deadly. So we want to make sure if you're a renter, you know your rights if you ever find yourself in that situation. Under a sweltering summer sun in Arizona, a working air conditioner can be a lifesaver. But what happens if your unit breaks?
It'd be excruciating.
This is a problem many renters face each year. To find out what you need to know, we sat down with Ken Volk from Arizona Tenants Advocates. What rights do renters have when it comes to if an AC unit in their home or their apartment stops working?
Right. Many rights, because obviously this is an important issue in Arizona.
He says the first thing you should do is document the problem.
Some cities have standards for a cooling, namely Phoenix and Tempe. And even if you're outside those jurisdictions, you can still use them as a guidepost.
Then notify your landlord or property manager, but not just any way.
Generally, if we're looking at an urgent situation, we would recommend a process server. Certified mail is another good way to deliver notices.
Under Arizona law, landlords have 5 days after written notice to fix a broken AC if the temperature is over 100 degrees, and 10 days if it's under. In 2024, the city of Phoenix investigated around 200 complaints from renters about broken AC units. City ordinance requires cooling systems to keep the temps indoors at 82 degrees or below.
We have tenant and landlord rights, and you should know your rights. When you sign a lease, you're signing a contract.
If you've taken all the steps and your AC still doesn't get fixed in the required time frame, you could get a deduction in rent, break your lease, or even sue for damages.
Don't go on assumptions. You're dealing with a legal scenario, and you can get tripped up on a technicality.
And if you find yourself in this situation, you can also reach out to the city or town you live in or file a consumer complaint with the Arizona Attorney General's office. For now, reporting live in Phoenix, Prelutsky for Arizona's Family.